Hi everyone, so I have filmed this whole video in portrait mode. It's a bit annoying because I wanted to do a reel on Instagram, but then it didn't really let me do a longer reel, which was a bit silly of me. But anyway, I thought I would show you the You Create Barbie basics as I was opening the box. Just the first impression, and then I would like to do a follow-up video. So came in a shipper, packaged well in a tissue paper. Box is just the standard one. I got the kits, the 002, or you call it, the second one. It took me a long time to decide which one I really wanted, but I went for this one in the end because I thought I might as well just try it out first and then I might buy the rest of them. So here's the instructions, kind of just what you get in the box, really, as you can see. And then we've got the certificate, and yep, just showing you the box there and everything, how it is. You can pause at any point if you would like to read any of it. That's the certificate. So here's the first one. This is the regular body, I believe. Super simple, just cut the body out. Get the head out of the plastic bit. Yeah, this one must be my favorite. This face mold is just beautiful. I love her makeup. I love the green eyeshadow. Yes, I think kind of green eyes. I can't really tell now. And here I'm just showing you how to put the head on. Super simple, easy. Okay, I think maybe I was struggling a little bit, but you just have to push it down and it's not too bad. Yeah. So this is the regular body. The next one, I believe, yep, is the curvy body. Same deal, just cut it out, job done. Get the head out. And I love this face too. The pink, I just love it. Love the pink. So there's the seam on the bottom, if you saw that, which a lot of people don't like. But yeah, they had to put that somewhere, I guess. And honestly, for me, it's not visible at all. I use these dolls for photos mostly. I don't have any issues with that. Now the third doll, this is the whole body. And I think this face mold that I'm about to show you is probably the least favorite, or I've had the most trouble trying to get the wigs actually suit her, but I still like her. I like her green eyes and the bold red lips. But she might look a bit strange at first. Oh, I think I had the cat there. She was looking to see what I was doing. Now for the accessories and basically the rest of it. So these are the clothes. No, wigs. These are the wigs. All the kids have some wigs that I liked more than the others, so it was really hard to choose that as well, but I think I really loved the pink one, and I loved the brown ombre blonde kind of wig as well. The blonde one is still cute, but yeah, this one and the brown ombre is my favorite. So I naturally just thought this girl needs the pink one because of the makeup. And there's a lot of play with this. If you get this kit, if everyone's probably have it by now who wanted it, but yeah, you just have to play around with it. Good. Really. Use a little bit of water, yeah. Not boiling water for the wigs, just a bit of water. You can spray it down. But yeah, I didn't really have any issues with it. Then I couldn't decide which wig I wanted for which doll here. I think they both suit both of them, really. But as this is my favorite, one of my favorite wigs and the favorite face mold, I decided to put them together. Oops, there she goes. And again, you just have to play around with it, move it around, see what looks best. And you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it down below, and you can see the photos that I took. I took photos of all three girls now. I just have yet to swap them wigs around a bit more, which is what I would like my follow-up video to be, just to show you my what I think about this kit after I've had it for quite some time. I couldn't get this one to stay on. It kept popping off. I couldn't quite get it right. But I have taken pictures of her. I don't think I posted. I did post pictures of her, but with a witch's hat and this wig, which she looks really cool as a witch. I really liked her as a witch. But I haven't posted pictures of her just with the wig like this. But I do have photos of her. I just noticed some marks there. I think it's from the box, which is a shame, but never mind. Next drawer, little box. Let's see, I'm trying to feel it through the packaging. Not that it matters. The clothes. Maybe some of it, I think. So very crinkly. These are the trousers, very crinkled, which is not great. But yeah, that's the maxi skirt, I believe, with the slit. Also a bit crinkled, but it's not too bad. And this one doesn't really matter, really. This is another skirt, ruched. It's all ruched, so you can't tell that it's crinkled. There's another. Oh, there were 2 bags in the one drawer. So I believe these are the tops. Yeah. So I've got this faux leather pleather top. This top I really love. It gives me the witchy vibes. Sorry. And then this is an interesting one. So it's like a tank top, I guess. You tie it round in the back. It's quite cool, but I need to style it a bit more. Next one we've got accessories, so shoes, jewelry. So there's sunglasses, earrings, necklace. I think that's all. Yep, just those 3. Because it makes sense, each doll gets 1, or you just mix and match. Really. I'm trying to put them somewhere safe so I can use them in a bit. Here's the shoes. These aren't my favorite shoes. This was one of not the main reason, but I really loved these shoes. And the black ones. Sorry, there were 2 pairs. Yeah, the transparent ones are they're okay. I've got like 2 other pairs of those. And these boots are pretty cool as well. They just look so real. They're plastic, but they look like they're like a real leather effect. The lounge drawers are just bases for the stands that were next to each of the doll. Yep, there we go. I don't think I bother opening all of them. And now, let's style the dolls. So as you can see, I did switch the wigs in the end, for the blonde wig and the ombre one. But yeah, I really like the way they turned out first time, you know. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this. And yep, that was a strange close-up. I'll see you next time.